when you are entering a field that you trained for 4 years. Hey, Mankasuli, please. Hey, don't make me mad. Even if people are transitioning from other industries, it's not that easy. You got the advantage. Utilize it now. So, our tech degrees are becoming useless. Your computer science degree, your IT degree, are those degrees becoming useless? Let's talk about it. I've been seeing quite a few comments where people who hold these degrees, they feel like their industry is being hijacked by people who are not qualified because they don't have this degree. So today, I want to address this properly, because it's not just about the tech industry, but it's how the job market is changing. Welcome to the village. My name is Boni. I create content around careers and education with a dose of reality check. And this video is one of those videos where I share a dose of reality check. Let's go. If you have a tech degree or you are thinking of transitioning, this video is for you. You need to understand this. Tech is not a single industry. Maybe before it was like that. There was just your IBM, your Microsoft. Microsoft is just rendering services to companies, to other industries. Your IBM is rendering services, is selling goods and services to other industries, right? Maybe for a long time, it was like that. Today, tech is everywhere. Finance now is using data. Science is using data. You see, with my recent guest, she was using data while she was working at a lab, but she just wanted to take it a step further, and now she works in fintech. But if you are someone with a microbiology degree, you can still use tech, do short courses in data analysis, and work in your industry, and you'll be called a biostatistician, right? So guys, tech is no longer a single industry like before. Am I making sense? Retail uses analytics, okay? Understand this. If you have your computer science degree, if you have your IT degree, do you understand? There is just way too many opportunities, way too many industries now. Do you understand? A lot of companies before, you'll find they didn't even have a technology department. But today, they will have a technology department that needs data analysts, data engineers, software engineers, and so on and so on. Maybe before, companies used to just outsource certain services. They would just outsource them to IT companies. But now, for instance, in finance, they can have their own software developers in-house, because now in finance, they are using tech on a daily basis. It's not something that they outsource anymore. So that's the point I'm trying to make. Tech is not just one single industry. It is everywhere. Doctors are using tech. Engineers are using tech. And listen, I need you to understand this. If you have a com sci degree, if there is more people entering the industry, of course, there is bound to be more noise about it. From creators, from mainstream media, everywhere, people are talking about this, right? And it's going to mean it's going to be harder to stand out. It feels like your effort is being diluted. And you know, you still have an advantage. I don't know if you get me. If maybe we are not inside the job, this might be hard to believe. But trust me, and people who are already in the job and they have the com sci degree, they will let you know in the comment section that Boni is not lying. I am not lying to you. Okay? I'm not trying to please you. Your com sci degree is still relevant. All right? Even if people are transitioning from other industries, it's not that easy. I'm just going to make an example. with my recent guest, right? It's not that easy. They still need to get the skills, right? They still need to get the skills. They still need to do the project. They still need to grind. They go through the internships before they even go to the real work experience. When with your comp-sci degree or IT degree or business information systems degree, business science degree, you might move from graduation straight to employment. Am I lying? Am I lying to you right now? You can get to a graduate program. You can do maybe one internship and then you get employment. I know it's not that easy, and once again, I'm not gaslighting you, right? I am not gaslighting you, but I'm just trying to show you what's up. When you are entering a field that you trained for 4 years. Hey, Mankasuli, please. Hey, don't make me mad. You trained for 4 years, if not 5. What were the requirements? What were the requirements for you to qualify to do this degree? And today, you feel like your degree is losing value. What? Are you kidding me? I need to know, you know, I don't just rant with no solutions. So this is what you're going to do. You're going to go deeper. Go deeper into systems, architecture, back end, right? Specialize. AI, cloud, data engineer, data science. Just specialize. As I'm saying, go deeper. Specialize. Which means do your certifications. Okay? You don't even need to be certified, right? You can just do the courses like your Coursera, your Udemy, and so on, just to show. Even Microsoft, they have courses there, you know, just to show good thing you have the skill. So if money is still low, I know parents, they've been paying so much, or you had a bursary and now you are not employed. So what do you mean I should get certifications when I have a degree? Get the skills. You don't need to be certified. You don't need to write the exams, but just get the damn skills. Even if you just do the free courses, that's what I mean. You got the advantage. Utilize it now. And then, of course, build real world projects. So you can't escape this one. Even though you have a degree, you can't escape this one, I'm afraid. Okay. So you build a project, basically understand that what's happening in the world. Okay. Now we are entering business. So you need to create projects are meaningful and solve damn real problems. Because now we are in business. We are no longer in school. We are in business. Please like and share this video with someone who needs it. I'm so mad. Like, what? What do you mean? What do you mean? I'm going to make an example about the media. The media has changed so much. You know? The media has changed so much. So I'm a journalist that were able to adapt to how the market, because it's all about the job market. What's happening in the job market, right? So those who were able to adapt, media houses who were able to adapt, and began to use new media. If you can't adapt, you are going to die. You adapt or you die. Okay? Remember, you have an advantage. You trained for this industry. You are not just trying to break in, get back door or something. You trained for it. Hey bo, a degree, I lose a value. Unaloko, you adapt. Okay? And see how you can enhance it. Specialize. Go in. Projects. You understand? And ngengibone manje, here you guys, so for you, I'm a content creator. Do it. I know before, if you did a degree like computer science, you were not even required to be out there so much. But understand what's happening in the world. Yabo. Understand what's happening in the world, please. In the world around you, the world that you need to be in. Yabona nje kwi-media, it's not like the industry was losing vein. It evolved. That's what happened. It evolved, and amateur journalists, they were able to adapt, and media houses, they were able to adapt. They're still here. But if you can't adapt, it is what it is. Okay? So please, and I am not gaslighting you. People with computer science degrees will tell you that I am not lying to you. You have an advantage, especially if you are here in South Africa. You know, most companies will still prefer to hire people with computer science degrees or some degree, even if it's not computer science. Yeah, because guys, these are the comments, but I wanted to get to my point first, right? And then read out these comments to you. The IT degree is useless at this point. Everyone keeps transitioning. Imagine. I wish it was more difficult because now qualified people are being overlooked, right? And this person went on to say, someone was saying, true, but they aren't transitioning to machine learning and robotics and other challenging roles, you know? So I think this person was implying that, you know, but it's not like they are going to machine learning or robotics, you know, which is what you were trained for as someone with a computer science degree, you know? They are going to data analysis and stuff, right? So the response says, yes, that's true. But if a doctor transitions to tech, that degree they will overlook. Okay, yes, that's true. But if a doctor transitions to tech, that MBCHB, they overlook the diploma and BSc and think this one must be smart. Degrees like accounting, there is no way you would bypass the bar exam, or degrees like law. But IT is so different, and that's how PGCE destroyed teaching. Okay, you see? Yeah. Another comment, some people are lucky getting jobs sooner. I got engineering and data science, even went as far as getting grade C PRISA certification, still nothing. I guess the only qualification I need is connections. You know, I don't know why this young lady got so much hate. I think it's because she spoke openly about how they're making money.
How is the money? She spoke about the money. I was not going to ask her about the money, but she brought up the money.
With banking, people can earn as a starter salary as much as like maybe 30,000 rand, but that's banking though.
No, I saw another comment on Facebook saying, yeah, if the end goal is money, why don't you just study IT? Why people keep on transitioning, you know? But anyway, you know me, my channel is all about building and giving people resources and options, you know? I want everyone to eat. So today it was all about reassuring you with a degree that you can still eat, okay? You can still eat. No one is taking your food away from you. But I guess it's a bit competitive now because the question is no longer, do you have a degree, but can you do 1, 2, 3? And I always mention this, companies, they don't want to train nobody, okay? They don't want to train nobody. And for people who want to transition to tech, you know, opportunities are there. Don't be discouraged. Make sure that you focus on skills. You do not skip fundamentals, okay? Do your project, do not skip fundamentals. That's very important, and be patient. Focus, stay on your lane, okay? Stay on your lane, don't be distracted. Don't be distracted. I still have the tech guide if you want it. Just summarizes everything we talk about here, you know. If you are someone who don't want to go through all my videos, you can get the guide. It's there in the description box. And then once a month, we do meet with people who transitioned from other industries to tech. We meet once a month for 1 hour. Okay, so good luck, everyone. Okay, please stay patient, focus on skills, and don't be mad. Bye. I love you. You know, I'm here to build. That's all I want to do. I'm here to build and make sure that everyone eats. Please like and share the video. Bye bye.